In this video I will guide you on how to archive a video with WinRAR on Windows 11. Let's start from where you can get the WinRAR. For those who don't have it already, you can access this website and this is their official website. You can purchase it from here and also you'll get a free trial. So that being said, assuming you have WinRAR, what you have to do is select the video, or if you have multiple videos, make sure you select them all, alright, before you continue. So once it's selected, right click on one of the videos. After that you'll find WinRAR and select add to archive, and now this menu will pop up. You can give it a name, as an example name.rar, and after that you'll find here archive format. I'll recommend you to leave it on RAR because it's on default selected, and also because the RAR format is better than the zip format. Down here you'll find also compression method. You can select best for the best compression, and on the right side also I'll recommend you to mark create solid archive, especially if you'll archive multiple videos, because if they're similar, these settings will help a lot. Now also you can browse to select where to save this compression. I will select desktop to save it here. You can select wherever you want to save it, and once you're done you can press on OK. And this will be almost instantly, depending on the size of the video which you're compressing, and if you open it you'll find the video which you just archive right inside here. So this is how to compress, how to archive a video with WinRAR on Windows 11.